Hi, Tracy Worley here. It is Christmas Day, and for me, Christmas dream came true. We have a white Christmas. It's still snowing, so we have fresh powder, and truly blessed to have a state park only 5 minutes away from the house. So we're out on our cross-country skis with the admin staff, of course the 2 border collies, and I just want to challenge you in 2016. Where do you need to adapt, maybe accept, and take action to make changes? We're going to have a potential builder series coming out in 2016, plus Red Shoe Courage is going on the road and would love to see you there as well. Look up and out. Pure joy. Blessings for 2016.